this easy to use? I've never used one of these ones.
Yeah, it's very easy, but a little expensive.
It is expensive, 40 cents.
Yeah.
A day, so shit, I gotta move up. Damn it.
You want me to help you?
Want to hold that?
Yeah.
Sure thing.
చూడండి, కార్ అయితే నిన్న కొంచెం క్లీన్ చేశాను. రోడ్లో అయితే కొంచెం క్లీన్ చేశారు. సో డ్రైవ్ చేయొచ్చు అని అనుకుంటున్నాను. మన కారు తెలుసు కదా, ఎలక్ట్రిక్. ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టడానికి వెళ్ళాలి. ఛార్జింగ్ పెడుతూ పెడుతూ కారులోనే బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్. చీర్స్.
Is this easy to use? I've never used one of these ones.
Yeah, it's very easy, but a little expensive.
Yeah, it's 40 cents a minute. I look.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Where do you generally charge?
Well, I'm from Welland.
Oh, okay.
And I go over to the dealership. They got free charging.
Yeah. We have flow chargers nearby, but there's only one.
I went to Canadian Tire.
Yeah.
There's one there, but it was
Out of service. Yeah, I know.
I got a credit. I got a credit on my phone from where I bought the car.
Yeah.
But it's for flow charging.
Oh, okay. But flow is good.
Yeah.
Just that we don't have enough of them now.
Yeah, but there will be. There'll be more. So do I pull this out first, or I do something?
You just select the start begin charge.
Okay. I don't have to select which one.
No. First you have to hit begin charge.
Begin charge. Okay.
Yeah, accept, and then you can choose which one you want.
Okay.
Is it CCS?
It's this one here.
Yeah. Just select that,
Okay.
and then now you can plug in your car.
Okay.
Then you have to tap it. It'll guide you. Yeah.
After I plug in.
Yeah.
I've had that car for 3 years. I've never had to plug it in anywhere, except only at the dealership.
Yeah.
And it. Oh shit! I gotta move up. Damn it.
You want me to help you?
Want to hold that?
Yeah.
Sure thing. I got lots of room there.
Yeah.
That good?
Yep. I think this should work.
So I just tap now?
You select the speed that you want,
Oh yeah, now okay.
and then you tap your card.
Oh, it says try again.
Yeah. I think it worked now.
There you go. It is expensive, 40 cents
Yeah.
a day. So 10 minutes would be $4. Plus they charge you $1.
$1 for connection, yeah.
What a bunch of crooks. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Have a good day, guys.
Yeah, you too.